Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video we are going to see the next type of differential equation, which is linear differential equation. So in this we have two types, type 3A and type 3B. So in this video we are going to focus on type 3A. Type 3A is nothing but linear equation in y, and this will be linear equation in x. So what is linear equation? Linear equation is nothing but any equation of the form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. So this is the linear equation in terms of y. Okay, so this is the linear equation of y. Whenever the question is given and if it can be represented in this form, then it is a type 3A type of problem. Okay, for this where p and q are constants or they can be functions of x. Okay, so p and q are function of x when the equation is linear in y. Remember this. So the solution for this equation is given by, first we will find the integrating factor. For linear equation in y, the integrating factor is given by e raised to integration of p into dx, and the solution of this equation is given by y, because it is a linear equation in y, therefore y into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx plus some constant. So this is the solution of this type of linear equation in y. So what is the procedure? The procedure is same. Whenever the question is given, if we can represent our equation in this form, then that equation is linear equation in y. Whenever our equation is linear in y, the integrating factor is given by this formula and the solution is given by this. So we are going to see the problem on this. So as you can see, this equation is of the form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q, where p and q are function of x. So from these two equations, if we compare, q is nothing but this value and p is nothing but minus of 10x, because here it is plus. So if we compare these two values, we will get p as minus of 10x. Okay, I can write here plus and minus 10x. P is and q are function of x, so minus 10x, and this y is here as it is, and q is this value. So these are the values of p and q. So this is type 3 type of problem. So the integrating factor in this case is given by e raised to integration of p into dx. What is p? P is minus 10x. So e raised to minus of 10x into dx. Minus is constant, so we can take it out of the integration sign. What is integration of tan x? Integration of tan x is nothing but log of sec x. And if this minus sign we can take here as minus 1. From here we can remove this minus sign. And we know that e raised to log of something is equal to that something. So here also it is equal to sec x the whole inverse. So this is nothing but 1 upon sec x. Okay. So our integrating factor is this. Therefore the solution is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx plus some constant. What is integrating factor? Integrating factor is 1 upon sec x equal to integration of what is q? Q is minus 10x sec square x plus 1. What is integrating factor? Integrating factor is 1 upon sec x into dx plus c. Now we have to find the integration of this part. Now we can write this as 1 upon sec x is nothing but cos x. Okay, so this can be replaced by cos x. So here we write instead of 1 upon sec x as cos x, and instead of tan x we can write as sin x upon cos x. So we are going to replace tan x also. So as you can see, we can cancel this cos x, and if we take this sin x inside the bracket, we will get this minus sign is constant, so we can take it out of the integration sign. So minus integration of sine x, and instead of sec square x we are going to write as 1 upon cos x. So it will become cos square x plus sine x into dx plus c. So sine x upon cos x is nothing but tan x, and we are remained with 1 upon cos x. So again we are going to write 1 upon cos x as sec x plus sine x into dx plus c. Now if we integrate this, so what is integration of tan x into sec x? Integration of tan x into sec x is nothing but sec x. And what is integration of sine x? Integration of sine x is nothing but minus cos x plus c. So that's how we make modifications in our equation, so that the integration of tan x into sec x is nothing but the sec x. This is the direct formula you have to remember. So if I take this minus sign inside, this will become minus sec x, and this minus into minus will become plus cos x. And this is why 1 upon sec x is cos x. So this is the solution of this equation, and this is how we solve the problem on linear differential equation. More such problems we will see in our next video, so stay tuned for our future lectures.